And finally, for today, there is a hadith from Imam Hassan al-Mushtaba alayhi salam, in which he mentions 12 points about sufra, about table. 4 of them, he says it is farz. Farz here means necessary. Doesn't mean wajib, that you do haram if you don't do it, but means very necessary. And 4 of them are mustahab, 4 of them are adab, means manners and etiquettes. So let's read the hadith. Imam Hassan al-Mushtaba alayhi salam. Fil ma'idati ithnata ashrata khasla. There are 12 characteristics for table. يجب على كل مسلم أن يعرفها. Every Muslim must know them. أربع منها فرض. 4 of them are necessary. Again, we don't say wajib, but necessary. وأربع سنة. And 4 of them are mustahab, recommended. وأربع ta'adib. These are adab and manners. فَأَمَّا الْفَرْض. Those 4 things that are necessary for every food, every table that we serve. فَالْمَعْرِفَةُ. Ma'rif of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Who is giving you this rizq? وَالرِّضَى. To be pleased. Don't complain, why I don't have, better than this one. وَالتَّسْمِيَةُ. To start with Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. وَالشُّكْرُ. And end with shukr. These are 4 which are necessary. Amma sunnah, those which are recommended. فَالْوُضُوءُ قَبْلَ الطَّعَامِ. To make wuzu before food. وَالْجُلُوسُ. Of course, wuzu, washing and can be wuzu together. وَالْجُلُوسُ عَلَى الْجَانِبِ الْأَيْسَرِ. When you sit on your left leg, put your weight on the left side. وَالْأَكْلُ بِثَلَاثِ أَصَابِعِ وَلَعْقِ الْأَصَابِعِ. It is recommended to eat with fingers. Of course, some people may say at that time there was no spoon, but I think there was a spoon at that time. But anyway, if you are at home, you can observe this. Maybe outside, people don't like this, I don't know. But I have seen some people, especially I have seen some Khoja brothers and sisters do it very nicely, very, very nicely. And I am very amazed that they do it so cleanly and nicely. Anyway, I don't want to say you must do it now outside, but this was the mustahab and it was sunnah, maybe it is still, to eat with 3 fingers. And there are lots of things actually, how Rasulullah was eating. And then, amma ta'dib. فَالْأَكْلُ مِمَّا يَلِيكَ. Eat from the food which is near you. وَتَصْغِيرُ الْلُقْمَةِ. Make your bites small, not like this. Each bite is 1 meal. وَتَجْوِيدُ الْمَضْغِ. Chew it well. وَقِلَّةُ النَّظَرِ فِي وُجُوهِ النَّاسِ. Don't look at what other people are eating, watch them carefully. Let them, be comfortable. Looking at them would disturb them. So, these are 12 things to observe about every sufra. We pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to take us to His own table and banquet that He has prepared for mu'mineen in Laylatul Qadr. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make us grateful for all the blessings that we have received from before our birth and after our birth. We are very grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We cannot thank Him enough.